Hey guys, so this is how to fix login issues when it comes to the Acorn app. So I have Acorn box right here, and let's say I'm facing issues with logging into it. So what I need to do is first check the internet connection. Let's check that I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. And if you want to check your internet speed, you can just go into your browser and type in fast.com. This is by Netflix, and you can check the internet speed right here. And if this is looking fine, but you're still facing a problem with the logging in, you can clear the cache for Acorn app. So what you can do is go into the settings, and in the search bar, just type storage, and you're gonna find storage right there, general. So just tap on it, and then you're gonna look for Acorn app. So I'll just scroll down till I find it. There it is. And then I'll just tap on it, offload the app, then confirm that I want to offload the app. And once the app is offloaded, I can just go ahead and reinstall the app, and this deletes the cache from the application. And if you're using Android, you have an option for deleting the cache right away. Now, once the app is reinstalled, you can just go ahead and try to log in, and hopefully that fixes the problem. See you in another video.